Behind the courtrooms is the machinery that runs the judicial branch and holds it accountable. Let's look at how judges are managed, how lawyers are licensed, how misbehaving judges are disciplined, and how juries work. The governing body of California's courts is the Judicial Council, established in the Constitution and chaired by the Chief Justice. It has 21 voting members, mostly judges appointed by the Chief Justice, plus attorneys and legislators. The council sets policy for the courts, makes budget recommendations, and adopts the California rules of court that govern practice and procedure statewide. Most of its real work happens in committees focused on areas like civil law, criminal law, and family law. Lawyers are licensed by the State Bar of California, which admits attorneys, investigates misconduct complaints, and imposes discipline. Membership is mandatory for practicing California lawyers, and the Supreme Court holds ultimate authority over the legal profession. For judges who misbehave, there is the Commission on Judicial Performance, an independent oversight body established in 1960. It investigates complaints of judicial misconduct and can recommend discipline ranging from a private letter all the way to removal from office and a lifetime bar from judging. Its membership of judges, attorneys, and public members provides a check that's independent of both the courts and the executive, with the Supreme Court holding final say on serious discipline. Now the jury system, a cornerstone of the whole structure. To serve, you must be a U.S. citizen, at least 18, a county resident, and proficient in English. A meaningful recent reform. Since 2020, people who have completed their sentences for past felonies are eligible to serve, broadening the representativeness of jury pools. Jury selection happens through voir dire, questioning to root out bias. Each side can remove jurors for cause, with a reason, or use a limited number of peremptory challenges without a stated reason, though the law prohibits using those to exclude jurors based on race or gender. In criminal cases, the verdict must be unanimous. In civil cases, a 3/4 majority suffices. California also convenes grand juries, one per county. They serve two roles, hearing criminal evidence, though most felonies actually proceed by preliminary hearing instead, and acting as a civil watchdog, investigating and publicly reporting on county government operations. One more issue worth noting, judicial diversity has improved meaningfully over the past few decades, with women and people of color increasingly represented on the bench. Research suggests this matters because diverse courts surface different perspectives that can improve the quality of legal reasoning